Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial we're gonna see how to edit Moody Cinematic Portrait in Lightroom Mobile. So let's get started. Let's first undo all the changes and let's go and start off with our basic panel. Increase exposure to plus 1.03, contrast all the way to 100, highlights, bring down the highlights to -85 to pull back the details in the highlights. Currently it looks blown out. For the shadows, push shadows all the way towards 100 to bring the detail back. Increase the whites to plus 14. Decrease the blacks to -34. And now go on to the curves. In the RGB curve, add 3 points and create a standardized curve. Now go to the red curve and add a bit of teal in the shadows and a bit of red in the mids. Then go on to the greens, add green in the shadows, just a little bit, not too much, and a bit of magenta in the midtones and the highlights. Now in the blue curve, add blue in shadows and highlights and a bit of yellow in the midtones. And now go on to the next panel. Increase the temperature to +2, then to +5. Vibrance to -33. And leave the saturation at 0 and go on to the mix. In the mix, decrease the hue of red to -45 and increase the saturation to +20 and luminance keep it at 0. Then for the orange, decrease the orange hue of orange just a little bit, about -2. For the saturation, increase it to +8, and for the luminance, increase it to +16. Now for the yellows, decrease the hue of yellow to -15, saturation to +10, and luminance to +5. Decrease the hue of green all the way towards -100 and saturation to -100 as well. Then go to the next panel. In the effects, add a bit of clarity, just a little bit, to +5, and a bit of dehaze to about +20. Then for the vignette, add a vignette of -8, slide the midpoint to 66, and feather to adjust the feather to about 38 for this image, looks good. Highlights all the way towards 100, and go to the next panel. Add a bit of noise reduction to about +25 and sharpening of about +15. And adjust the mask to plus 75 or 74. Yeah, then there's still one more thing left. Go on to the split tone, and for the highlights choose a hue of 52 and intensity to plus 7. For the shadows, choose a hue of 229 and intensity of, bring down the intensity to 18. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's the before and that's the after. Hope you like this tutorial. If you do, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and thanks for watching. See you on the next one.